In today's dynamic commerce environment, specific sectors such as startups, distressed entities, and merchants navigating complex risk scenarios encounter distinct hurdles in orchestrating their payment processing frameworks. These challenges range from establishing initial payment acceptance capabilities to handling very intricate issues like chargeback risks, fraud prevention, and ensuring robust data security. The necessity for these businesses to comprehend their unique payment processing requirements and identify a payment partner who resonates with their specific journey is not just a matter of efficiency, but of survival and progressive growth. This video aims to unpack these multifaceted challenges, provide a deeper understanding and actionable guidance for businesses grappling with these specialized payment processing demands. Through exploring the nuances of these merchant profiles, we offer insights into selecting a payment processing partner that aligns with the distinct life cycle and intricacies of each business type, ensuring a pathway to sustainable success in the fluctuating landscape of modern commerce. The Startup Challenge: establishing robust payment processing from the ground up. Embarking on the entrepreneurial journey is exhilarating, but equally daunting, especially when startups need to navigate the complex world of payment processing. For many founders, this represents uncharted territory, filled with technical jargon and intricate processes. At the heart of this journey lies the need for a reliable payment processing system, a backbone supporting every transaction, every customer interaction, and ultimately the company's reputation. From the first customer payment to managing predictable chargebacks, startups grapple with challenges that can seem overwhelming. The weight of ensuring data security can be especially heavy, given the ever-present cyber threats and the potentially devastating consequences of breaches. This is not just about technology, it's about trust. Every startup wants to be that brand that customers can rely on, knowing their payment data is safe. As these startups flourish and their transaction volumes swell, their challenges evolve. With growth comes the realization that they might be entitled to better rates. The initial payment partner, once the lifeline in their embryonic stages, might now seem limited. It becomes imperative to harness more negotiating power, seeking direct relationships with bigger players in the banking and processing world. But this transition is not a sign of ingratitude, rather it's a testament to a startup's success. As startups navigate this pivotal transition, the importance of selecting a payment technology platform and partner capable of scaling alongside them cannot be overstated. In an ever-evolving commercial landscape, the choice of a payment partner is more than a mere transactional decision. It's a strategic one. The ideal partner provides a robust foundation for your commerce journey, offering not just a payment gateway, but a suite of essential tools. These include advanced fraud prevention mechanisms, adaptable payment options, and cutting-edge technology that ensures your payment stack remains modern and flexible. This foresight in choosing a payment partner that grows with your business is crucial. It means ensuring that as your transaction volumes increase and your market presence expands, your payment systems evolve too. A partner who can scale with you prevents the future pain of migrating to a new system while offering the continuous innovation needed to stay ahead in the dynamic world of commerce. Ultimately, this decision lays the groundwork for a seamless and prosperous commercial trajectory, allowing you to focus on what you do best, growing your business and realizing your vision. The road from being a fledgling startup to a mature enterprise is marked with technical hurdles, emotional highs and lows, and practical learnings. Yet each step, each challenge shapes the startup, making it resilient and ready for the future. The initial struggles with payment processing are not just obstacles. They are foundational experiences vital for long-term success. The high-risk merchant's predicament: overcoming complex payment challenges. Imagine being at the helm of a business where every transaction is a tightrope walk between success and failure. This is the daily reality for high-risk merchants. Their journey is marked by hurdles like inefficient payment processes that can cripple the flow of business, leading to customer dissatisfaction and operational bottlenecks. They grapple with excessive chargebacks, which not only affect their finances, but also tarnish their reputation with banks and payment processors. These merchants often operate with business models that are innovative yet perceived as risky, making traditional payment solutions inadequate. They face a world where their groundbreaking ideas are not supported by off-the-shelf payment systems and partners, leaving them to navigate a labyrinth of technical challenges without a guide. The absence of essential integrations exacerbates this, hindering seamless operations and growth. Moreover, limitations in international payment capabilities restrict their ability to scale globally, confining their grand visions to local markets. Behind these technical and operational issues lies an emotional toll. These entrepreneurs are visionaries in their fields, yet they constantly battle the fear of their business collapsing due to payment complexities. Their passion for their work is often overshadowed by the anxiety of maintaining a fluid payment system. The situation is dire, but not hopeless. Recognizing these challenges is the first step. The next is finding a payment processing partner who not only offers technical solutions, but also empathizes with these struggles. A partner who sees beyond the risks to the potential, who understands the intricacies of different business models, and who is equipped to tailor solutions that are not just efficient, but also empathetic to the unique journey of high-risk merchants. The transformational role of a payment processing partner. In the transformative journey of a business, particularly for startups and high-risk merchants, the role of a payment processing partner is not just supportive, but foundational. This partnership is about more than just facilitating transactions. It's about nurturing growth, understanding pain points, and providing a roadmap through the maze of payment operations. For startups, when a startup takes its first step, the challenges are not just operational, but existential. A payment processing partner must empathize with this precarious position, offering solutions that are not just effective, but also empathetic to the startup's volatile environment. This means providing scalable solutions that can effortlessly grow with the startup. Flexibility in pricing is crucial, as startups often operate within tight budget constraints. Moreover, guidance in navigating the complex regulatory landscape is invaluable. Startups often lack the expertise in areas like fraud prevention, and a knowledgeable partner can be their best defense against the unforeseen pitfalls in their journey. For distressed and high-risk merchants, the relationship with these merchants goes deeper, often in the realm of rescue and recovery. High-risk merchants generally find themselves navigating a stormy sea of challenges, from crippling chargebacks to being blacklisted on platforms like the Match List. They need a partner who not only understands their predicament, but is also ready to step into the breach. This means not just standard solutions, but tailored strategies that address the root of their difficulties, from compliance to standing with banks and payment processors. Offering industry-standard risk-based pricing and robust tools for managing fraud and chargebacks become a lifeline. More importantly, a dedicated partner provides these merchants with a path to rehabilitate their business and reputation, helping them return to a place of operational normalcy, compliance, and growth potential. In both scenarios, the technical assistance is just the tip of the iceberg. The true value of a payment processing partner lies in their ability to connect at a practical, emotional, and strategic level. This relationship is about building trust, understanding unique business narratives, and crafting solutions that resonate with the specific needs and ambitions of these merchants. The right partner doesn't just process payments. They process dreams, challenges, and aspirations, turning them into tangible successes. The evolving relationship from rescue to independence. Understanding the life cycle of the merchant processing partner relationship is akin to understanding a story of struggle, resilience, and growth. Initially, the role of the payment processor is often that of a savior, rescuing businesses teetering on the edge of failure. These businesses, confronted with daunting challenges, again, like excessive chargebacks, flawed models, or crippling security issues, find in their processor a lifeline. The processor empathetically steps in with solutions tailored to the high-risk nature of the business, solutions that are technically robust yet sensitive to the precarious financial standing of these merchants. As these businesses start stabilizing, a transformation occurs, not just in their operations, but in their very core. With improved processes, reduced chargebacks, and enhanced security, they begin to experience a newfound sense of confidence and control. This is where the relationship with the payment processor evolves, from dependency to a partnership of equals. The merchants, now on firmer ground, may seek to renegotiate terms, reflecting their enhanced bargaining power and healthier risk profile. Or in some cases, they might explore new partnerships that align more closely with their evolved status. This phase of the relationship, while possibly culminating in the loss of a client for the processor, is not a moment of failure but a testament to success. It signifies that the processor has not only fulfilled its role, but has empowered a once struggling business to reach a state of independence and robust health. This journey, from rescue to independence, is a powerful narrative of triumph over adversity. A journey that is both inspiring and deeply human, resonating with anyone who's ever strived to turn their business fortunes around. Here are the key takeaways for merchants. Selecting the right payment processing partner is not just about a business decision. It's a pivotal step in your journey towards sustainable growth and stability. Understandably, this journey can be laden with uncertainties, especially for startups and high-risk merchants. The emotional roller coaster of navigating financial complexities while striving to establish or save your business demands more than just a service provider. It requires a partner who genuinely comprehends the nuances of your industry and empathizes with your unique challenges. Empathetic understanding of your business. Look for a partner who is not just technically proficient, but also emotionally invested in your success. Your ideal partner should resonate with your entrepreneurial spirit, understanding the sleepless nights and the high stakes involved. They should have a deep insight into your specific industry and the typical hurdles you might face, from regulatory challenges to market dynamics. Next is a holistic approach beyond transactions. Transaction processing is just commodity. It's just the tip of the iceberg. Seek a partner who delves deeper, offering comprehensive solutions like robust fraud prevention mechanisms, efficient chargeback management, and unwavering data security. This approach demonstrates a commitment to safeguarding not just your transactions, but your reputation and customer trust as well. Next is preparedness for evolution and growth. Your business is inevitably going to evolve, and so will your needs. A processor who is ideal for you today may not fit your requirements tomorrow. Choose a partner who not only understands this inevitability, but is prepared to adapt and grow with you. The foresight involves offering scalable solutions and flexible terms that accommodate your expanding business. Next is forward-thinking negotiations. As your business scales, its risk profile and financial health will change. It's essential to partner with a processor who is willing to acknowledge and adapt to these changes. To those courageous entrepreneurs and business owners, remember, your challenges, whether they are about starting afresh, combating fraud, handling hard chargebacks, or managing intricate payment systems, do not define your destiny. They are but hurdles in your path to greatness. A compassionate and knowledgeable payment processor, one that resonates with your unique story and struggles, transforms these hurdles into milestones of success and learning. In this partnership, find a blend of empathy and expertise, a collaborator who not only technically equips you, but also emotionally supports you through your business lifecycle. As your business booms and evolves, your payment processing needs will shift. The ideal payment partner will not only anticipate these challenges, but will walk alongside you, adapting and scaling solutions to fit your growing aspirations. In your quest for this ideal partnership, let confidence and clarity guide you. Choose a partner who not only understands the nuances of your industry, but who also shares your vision and passion. Together, you can turn the complexities of payment processing into opportunities for innovation, growth, and enduring success. Remember, in the intricate dance of commerce and technology, your journey is as significant as your destination. With the right partner, navigate confidently towards a future bright with possibilities and achievements. For more tips and insights to elevate your commerce strategy for the future, visit us at next.io.